Hey, what's going on YouTube? And welcome back to Tech Conversations. Firstly, if you haven't already, make sure to check out LuxAlgo. LuxAlgo is the #1 AI agent that helps you find strategies, powered by some of the best trading indicators and used by over 15,000 traders, including myself. And I've covered many of their premium indicators in the past on my channel. Go ahead and check out those videos. But right now, if you sign up to LuxAlgo by using my link in the description below, you can get up to 50% off their premium indicators. Keep in mind, you can also get 30 days risk-free, so why not try them out? So go ahead and check out LuxAlgo. I'll put a link to them in the description below. Also, make sure to check out the Discord, completely free to join. I'll put a link to it in the description below as well. We're at 9,000 members in here, so let's get to 10,000 members. So go ahead and check out the Discord. I'll put a link to it in the description below. Now let's get right into today's video. So today we have some really exciting news. Robinhood just launched a new feature called the Return Breakdown Chart to see how your portfolio has performed over time in different categories, as well as a returns comparison feature. So these are pretty cool features, and I want to share them with you guys here today, how to use them and read them. Now, these features as of right now are only available on the Robinhood mobile app. So we're going to jump on over to the mobile app and take a look at that there. So here we are on the Robinhood mobile app. Now this feature is only available for Robinhood Strategies accounts or Robinhood Robo-Advisor accounts, which is Robinhood's automated expert managed investment advisory service that provides personalized portfolios based on user goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. So let's go over to my Robinhood Strategies account. So to get there at the top, I can scroll left or right to see all my different accounts. But if I scroll to the left, you'll see an account that is named Managed. So that is Robinhood Strategies account or the Robinhood Robo-Advisor account. So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. And now we're on my Robinhood Strategies account. Now, there used to only be 2 sections here, but now there are 3 with these new features. So let's take a look. So firstly, we can see here we are on the overall portfolio return screen. So here you can see your account balance, and you can also see how your portfolio has performed over a certain period of time, like in the last 3 months or year to date, etc. So this is what you're probably used to seeing already. Now, the second section here is the portfolio allocation screen. So this chart shows an at-a-glance summary of how the assets are distributed within your portfolio by asset category. So you can interact with it by selecting or sliding your finger around the pieces that make up the chart. And this will provide information about what each section represents in your portfolio. So right now we're on the growth section, and I can actually click into it here, and we can see what's in this growth section. So we see Microsoft, we see Amazon, Broadcom, Nvidia, Apple, and we can keep looking through this section here to see what is in this growth section. Now, if we go back here, we can go to the next section. So our next section is large cap, 20%. IVV or the S&P 500, and I can keep going through here and kind of see all the different sections that make up my portfolio. So the portfolio allocation here. So before we only had these 2 sections, but now there's a third section here. So let's go ahead and let's take a look at this new feature. So this is going to be the return breakdown feature here. So the return breakdown chart includes the following components of your portfolio's performance over the selected period. So you're going to see depreciation, which means your portfolio decreased, or appreciation if it increased, like right here. And this refers to changes in the market value of your portfolio investments. And then the second one you can see is income. So income refers to dividends and interest earned from investments and the cash sweep program, as well as income from stock lending as applicable. And then the third section is fees. So this returns to the management fees paid to Robinhood strategies. And you can actually hold and press, or you can press and hold each bar here for more info to view exact amount. So I can hold, for example, this middle income section here, and you'll see more information here: income, dividends, interest. It's a little tricky here with my phone, but you can press and hold each one of these bars to kind of see more information here. Now, keep in mind that the chart won't populate until 30 days after investing has begun. So if you don't see it, that might be why. Now, for the second new feature here, the returns comparison, what we need to do here is we can notice at the bottom here, it says compare. There's a big compare button. So we can click on this button, this compare button. And so by selecting compare here from the return breakdown chart, we can compare our portfolio returns to a market benchmark. So Robinhood uses a time-weighted return. So this ignores the timing of your deposits or withdrawals, so you can see how the investments themselves performed rather than just how much cash you moved in or out. Now, if you've been investing for over a year, it will show an annualized number, so the average per year, to make it easier to compare long-term versus short-term performance. And so as we look here, this benchmark is a mix of two things. So the S&P 500 and the bond index. So a bond index, the bond index here is a collection of high quality US bonds. So we can actually click here to see more information about that. So you can see here your benchmark combines two indexes, the S&P 500 index and the Bloomberg US aggregate bond index. So you can read here more about how the benchmark works here, but we can compare our portfolio return. So let's actually compare mine here to see how my investments are performing compared to the market. So you can see here, right, in the last month, our portfolio has not done too great. We're down 0.65%, while the benchmark is up 0.20%. However, if we take a look at all time since March 28, 2025, our portfolio is up 17.71%. The benchmark is up 17.54%. So we're slightly beating it all time. And again, this is something that Robinhood manages for me. I never really look at it. I haven't made any decisions to purchase or anything. I just answered a couple of questions when I set it up to align with my goals and my objectives. Now, fair warning, just because you did well in the past doesn't mean you will do well in the future. Don't use these charts as a guarantee of what's next. So this is the new features that Robinhood just rolled out here for Robinhood strategies. Let me know what you guys think. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Check out the Discord, link to that in the description below. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you guys next time.